So this is 4K video. It's supposed to be, at least. That's kind of crazy that my phone can record in 4K with the front camera. Like, who does that? I'm gonna get the, why did I start it with this? I'm gonna get the lightsaber. Oh! There you go. Ooh. This thing is sick. So, this lightsaber has gotten like a little bit of heat whenever Rise of Skywalker came out. I don't really know why. It's mostly from the fact that, you know, it's a lightsaber. It doesn't need two blades like this, which is ridiculous because you can just ignite one blade, fight with it, whip it out, and then you got double blades. So I don't really know why that this controversy happened like as soon as the movie came out. I don't know why I'm talking about it right now. I might have forgotten to screw something in, considering this is a little shaky right here. I was taking it apart, which I don't know why they use really strange sized bolts for this, because I don't have one. And I have a lot of Allen wrenches, but it's just barely too big and just barely too small for any of my Allen wrenches. But I got the hero tier. It's cool, I gotta admit. So you can basically customize the colors. I got this one red and this one blue, which I really like. I really like that color scheme. I actually have some more lightsabers coming. Forget the exact name of them, but I basically bought a red one and a blue one in the veteran tier. All this is saberforge. I'm just saying that in case I don't have that in the video title, which I might make it a point to put it in. But this is neopixel, which I've discovered that I hate neopixel with this purchase. Nothing wrong with the hilt. Scared me. But I don't like neopixel. I like to fight with my blades. I also like actually having a flashlight, which this does not turn on. It's just got a bunch of connecting rods, which basically link up to the bottom of the neopixel blade. And just fair warning, because I looked everywhere for this, you cannot use day blades or any of the polycarbonate blades, you know, the hollow ones, with hero tier and saberforge, which is weird because I looked everywhere. Nothing said anything about it not being able to. Even in the plug and play kit, the hero tier comes with the lights. Like, you can use polycarbonate tubes with the hero tier plug and play kit, but not with a hero tier in which you buy, which is like really weird. So I'm gonna see if I can actually buy just one of the lights, take this apart once I get more Allen wrenches, because I bought like a whole set because of this. Should be coming in eventually. But hopefully I can take this apart and then I'll be able to put an actual flashlight attachment. And then I'll just have two useless neopixel blades. I didn't want the neopixel anyways. But the reason I don't like neopixel is because the lights will just change for no reason at all. I don't know if it's something wrong with my hero tier specifically, but sometimes the lights will just completely shut off, and then I'll hit something with it, like boom, and it'll turn back on. The red one, the red lightsaber blade, will literally turn blue. Turns blue. Why? and then I'll hit something with it, and then it will turn red again, which Lord knows why that happens. Quit that. This thing's bright. I can actually turn off the light. Look at that. That's awesome. One good thing about Hero Tier is that it's bright. And listen to this. I don't know if you can hear that, but perfect syncing. If only Champion Tier has the smooth swing as well, so if you don't want to blow like $300 extra on Hero Tier, just get the Champion. It's just as good, and it still works as a flashlight, which is something that's important to me, at least. That blue is gorgeous. See what I mean? Look at that. What is that? There we go. See, is that just me? Or does everybody have problems with Hero Tier? It's weird. I might send it back and just ask them to like look it over, because that's free. Which, I don't know why downgrading it to Champion Tier costs $400, by the way, but getting it repaired would be free for the Champion Tier. But yes, this thing is gorgeous. Ooh, you can do this. With the thrust, it actually recognizes it. I have so much more room on this side than the other one. This thing's like 8 feet long, by the way. I don't know why I didn't think to get shorter neopixel blades, but I didn't. And I'm really suffering with this 8-foot stick. Look at that. That, I can admit, is pretty cool. Hey, look at this. Blue and red. Incredible. I do have a light over there, so that's why, you know, the red's not as noticeable in my face. Actually, here, I'll turn it off. Ugh. There we go. Split right down the middle. And let me push it back a little bit. Wow, my laptop is really bright. To be able to give this much light, just it by itself. Come on. Where's the activation switch? Here we go. My cat likes the lightsabers too. Let me turn the light back on. Actually, I can just turn this one back on. There we go. Now, I don't edit my videos because That's boring. And I don't feel like paying someone to do it. I mean, I'm not that popular. I've got like 90 subscribers. But I don't know. I am hoping to get a decent following just looking at the lightsabers. With my order that should be coming within a couple months or so, with the 2 lightsabers, one red, one blue. They're the same lightsaber, hilts, just different colors. I'll be able to give a review on that. I might change the color on my red side. Do I want to do it right now? I'm not sure. I might save that for like another video or something. Because this is not a hero tier review. Not really. This is just for the dark gray lightsaber. And I have barely shown you guys how it folds. See, I didn't screw it in with the retention screws. You can't do that if you actually screw it in with the retention screw right there. So I just didn't want to put anybody off by like them thinking you can't even tighten it. You can. It's just I didn't. See right here. This is the folding mechanism, which is really cool. Actually, I should just take it off. Take it apart. Unscrew it like this. It's got some of the electronics in this part. So, this is a very short blade. Here, let me just set it on the ground. There we go. And you can do it for both sides. And these are, you can stick this on any pommel. So you can basically make any lightsaber that you own into a folding lightsaber like this. But I cannot promise you that it will line up as perfectly as these will. That is like one of the big things with this, is it doesn't matter where you slide it into, it will always fit perfectly and in the perfect place. You cannot screw this on wrong. See, I'm not like really paying attention to like where I'm like folding it, but just see, it's always perfect. Well, for the most part. I think I just proved myself wrong because I folded it the wrong way. Scratch that then. But this is the first time it's ever happened. So that alone should, well, I mean, if you can take my word for it, that should be enough to convince you that it's not difficult to get it correct. So maybe start just at the right spot and then tighten it back on. No? I'll figure it out later. Don't worry about it if you're wanting to buy one of these. They are worth it. But I would go for the champion tier rather than the hero tier. Simply because... Oh, and for color, I would go white and then buy day blades. Because if you buy day blades, then you can change the color to basically anything. It won't be as bright, but it'll still be like a blue blade or a red blade or an orange blade. Like, you get more options with the champion tier if you actually buy a white lightsaber with a day blade put in it rather than just the regular white blades. I don't think I've seen anybody do that, which is strange. Hey, Concrete. Oh, come on. as well show off concrete. I'm not sure if y'all have seen her. I don't think I've made any videos since I got her. I got her as a baby. Your breath stinks. Need to eat some toothpaste. She's hairy though. Like, is this even a lightsaber review? I'm not a good YouTuber. This is more like a vlog than anything. But going for 15 minutes? Incredible. Is there anything else that I want to show you guys? If there's not much time on the video, then I think it's over. Yeah, no, I think this is it. If I think of anything else to record, I'll just make a new video, right? See you later. I'm always watching.